Some homes look perfect, but they cost way too much. Other homes are affordable and they just need way too much work. What if you didn't have to compromise? You've been searching, listings move way too fast, and it seems like all the good properties go quickly. But here's a home with space, potential, value, and really it's just waiting for the right buyer. Welcome to 1320 Stone Mill Circle in Arnold, Missouri. A home where you can put down roots, grow into, and really make it your own. Arnold is one of the fastest growing cities in the St. Louis metropolitan area. You get more home for your money, top rated schools, and a true sense of community, all just 30 minutes from downtown St. Louis. This home sits in a quiet, tucked away subdivision. It's actually kind of hard to find, but easy to get to. Restaurants, shopping, parks, all close by. Need a quick commute? Well, the highway is only 10 minutes away. So let's talk about the home itself, because it does check a lot of boxes. 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,400 square feet of total living space. The main floor features an open concept from living dining room into kitchen, with 3 bedrooms on the main floor, 1 bath on the main floor, and then downstairs is a finished space with 1 bath and an open closet. You can use this for additional entertainment space, the 4th bedroom, or an office. There are lots of updates, new flooring, paint, all new appliances throughout the property. The backyard features a nice sized deck, a completely level lot, and tons of privacy since the neighbors are so far away. Now here's why it makes sense to start looking and to consider 1320 Stone Mill in Arnold. Last year when the holidays hit, the election came, and interest rates continue to stay high, most buyers, they left the market. But year after year, what I've seen is that come January into February, buyers start jumping into the market because their lease is up or they're ready to start putting those plans into action. So before the wild spring market hits, this might be a good time to go look at 1320 Stone Mill in Arnold, because it has a ton of great features, open floor plan, 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it has a great backyard, and it's really hard to find a completely level lot in Jefferson County and even many parts of St. Louis County. I've put all the information in the description below, so if you'd like more information, you want to look at the pictures, schedule a showing, you could do that by following the link in the description. I appreciate you watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe, like, and share.